Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by enabling Narrator immediately. Press Win plus Control plus Enter. Make sure audio routes to the speaker or headset you plan to use because Narrator reads through the active output. Once done, open Settings right arrow Ease of Access, right arrow Narrator to confirm voice and volume. You should also install any pending Windows updates and restart if prompted. This avoids compatibility issues. These steps get you into a working session quickly and explain why output device and updates matter for reliability. You now tune Narrator for practical use. Pick a voice, then set rate and pitch to balance speed and clarity. Use Narrator key commands. Caps Lock acts as the modifier by default, so practice Caps Lock plus space to read the current item and Caps Lock plus arrow keys to move by character, word, or line. Once done, enable keyboard echo and cursor tracking so Narrator follows what you type and where the focus is. This helps you correlate speech with on-screen actions and speeds learning. You finish by customizing shortcuts and saving your preferences so every session matches your workflow. Change the Narrator key if Caps Lock interferes, then export or note settings so you can restore them later. Once done, test common tasks. Open a browser, read documents, and navigate menus. If something goes wrong, restart Narrator first, then update audio drivers or run the Windows troubleshooter. This single troubleshooting step resolves most speech or focus errors and explains why restarting.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.